Let's do strength training for your chest. Grab a long resistance band. Loop the band around one leg of your rebounder. Walk to the opposite side and sit down. The band will now be behind you. Sit tall and hold your core tight. Bring the band over the back of the elbows and hands by your chest. From here, you can do chest press, pulsing crosses, alternating presses, chest flies. Need a tougher challenge? Try it from your wide knees. Remember to keep your abs braced and squeeze your butt tight. Band comes over the back of the elbows as before. You can do all the same movements here too. Need another level of challenge? Beast mode. Make sure to brace your abs and butt. Only go from seated to the more challenging levels when you can do at least 25 reps at that level easily. Technique and posture are most important for results and avoiding injury. Woo! Feel those pecs working. Give it a try, bounce, and be well.